While Boeing is busy running around in circles, dealing with lawsuits and delivery delays, Airbus is marching steadily toward the future. And for the aviation industry, the future is hydrogen-powered, electric propulsion aircraft with zero emissions, which, incidentally, is the name of Airbus's future program, Zero E. Airbus has been transitioning toward carbon-neutral flights with innovations like the A320 Neo and A321 XLR. But at their manufacturing plant in Finkenwerder, they are going beyond carbon neutrality to zero emissions. They have partnered with the municipally funded Center for Applied Aeronautical Research in Hamburg and introduced the revolutionary Zero E program. Just as the name suggests, Zero E stands for zero emissions. Airbus is developing commercial aircraft powered entirely by hydrogen. To make this a reality, they designed multiple concept aircraft. Initially, there were 4, but now 3 remain in focus. And if all goes according to plan, these aircraft could be flying by 2035, just over a decade from today. In 2020, Airbus introduced 4 hydrogen-powered aircraft concepts. 3 relied on hydrogen combustion and hybrid engines, while the 4th was fully electric, using hydrogen fuel cells to power a propeller propulsion system. But what exactly are hydrogen fuel cells? Simply put, they use chemical reactions to convert hydrogen into electricity, and the only byproduct is pure water, resulting in zero emissions. Recognizing the potential, Airbus shifted its focus entirely to hydrogen fuel cells for the Zero E program. Now you might wonder, if hydrogen fuel cells are so effective, why has no one else used them to power aircraft? The answer is power output. Hydrogen cells have existed for years but could not generate enough thrust to lift a commercial airliner. To overcome this, Airbus partnered with Elring-Klinger to form Aerostack. Their mission was to develop a powerful hydrogen fuel cell stack. Instead of relying on a single hydrogen cell, they combined multiple cells into a single system, creating the foundation of their propulsion technology. After years of development and testing at their E-Aircraft System House in Ottobrunn, Germany, Europe's largest alternative propulsion test facility, Airbus made a breakthrough. In June 2023, they successfully developed a hydrogen fuel cell system capable of generating 1.2 megawatts of power, the most powerful fuel cell ever designed for aviation. Hydrogen propulsion was no longer a distant dream, it was reality. Enter the Zero E pods. These are standalone turboprop motors powered by the revolutionary fuel cell system. On the Zero E turboprop aircraft, there will be 6 of these pods, each equipped with 8-blade composite propellers designed for optimal thrust. Thanks to innovative mounting fixtures, these pods can be swapped out quickly, allowing for rapid refueling at airports and efficient maintenance. Each pod contains a propeller, an electric motor, a hydrogen fuel cell, power electronics, an LH2 tank, a cooling system, and auxiliary equipment. Here is how it works. Hydrogen and air are pumped into the fuel cells, generating electricity. That electricity is converted into power, which drives the electric motors. The motors then rotate the propellers, generating thrust. According to Glenn Llewellyn, Vice President of Zero Emission Aircraft at Airbus, this pod configuration is a great starting point to nurture further inquiry into how we can scale up hydrogen technology for commercial aircraft. This is one option, but many more will be conceptualized before we make a final selection, a decision expected by 2025. With prototype technology in place, Airbus now faces the next challenge: selecting suitable aircraft for the Zero E pods and beginning flight tests. The future of hydrogen-powered aviation is closer than ever, and Airbus is leading the charge. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the future of aviation. Let us know in the comments what you think about hydrogen-powered aircraft.